Hello, everybody, and welcome to the webinar today. So I'm going to go over some improvements that we can make on the quality of our databases. As you know, Adept, the backend, is always a database where all that information is stored. So one area that we wanted to talk about was the database analysis report. So this is a report that you get from the System tab. You click the document button. It'll give you information around the fields and properties within your system. So sometimes customers may have properties that were never used in the system. So instead of carrying those things on for forever, right, and they touch in every document or every record, you know, and they're empty, there's no point in having them, because what will happen is it'll start to create more data that's being pulled down every time you select a file or go to a different library. Okay, so in this case, we're seeing 98% of the records for the comment field were blank. Again, this is a small database set that we're looking at here, but again, this is a field that we will want to get rid of because it's not giving us any value keeping that field there. So we want to look for character width, right? So if you have fields that are 30 or 60 characters long, but inside of your database you only have 5 characters max. Now you could think about shrinking the character length down to something that's more manageable, 5, 10 maybe, to make sure that you're not using up white space or disk space, bringing that information back and forth from SQL or Oracle. Want to look at blank records and the overall usability of how these properties are being used. Right? So some properties may not need to be in there at all, right? But this will give you an idea on which ones are empty, which ones are more used versus the ones that are